Hello, my wonderful people. So today we're being given this diagram and we're being asked to find h. What is the value of h? So if you look at this diagram, this is a right angle triangle. And then we have this area being shaded. I mean, we have the entire area here as what? 32. We are being told that the base is 6. And the height is what? H. And we're being asked to find the h. We are being given the area. An area of a right angle triangle is equal to what? Half times base times height. But we are being given the area already. So our area is 32 is equal to half multiplied by, what is our base? Our base is 6 multiplied by, what is our height? Our height is h. But remember, this is a fraction. We also have to make this a fraction as well. I also make this one a fraction as well. Okay? So we have our 32 is equal to 1 multiply the numerators. Okay? So we have 1 times 6 is 6. Multiplied by h is what? 6h. Over 2 times 1, 2 times 1 is what? 2. This is a fraction. Make this a fraction as well. So when we do that, then we cross and multiply. We have 6h times 1. Anything multiplied by 1 will give you the same value. So our 6h times 1 is 6h is equal to 2 times 32. 2 multiplied by 32. So here, you divide both sides by what? The coefficient of h. Or, okay, we have divide here by h and also divide here by 6. Divide here by 6 and also divide here by 6 because 6 is the coefficient of h. So our final answer will be h is equal to 2 times 32 is equal to 64. Over 6. 64 divided by 6. Of course, what we get is 6. Like 6. So 64 divided by 6, we get 6. Remainder 4. Right? Then, since there will be a remainder, we put points. Then you put 0 here. After putting the points, you put 0. So 40 divided by 6. 40 divided by 6, in your 4 figures table, you have to stop at 36 by 6 times. You remainder another 4. This 40 divided by 6 again will give you 6. Remainder another 4. 40 divided by 6 again will give you what? 6. If you continue like that, even till eternity, you continue to get 6, 6, 6. This is a type of fraction, and this is a type we call recurring decimal. Recurring. Because it keeps on repeating itself. So this is our final answer. So our h is what? 6.666. Okay? I believe this video has helped you. If it has helped you, kindly help me like, comment, and share. Bye.